Imagine this: turquoise water, white sand beaches, and you, laptop open, the sound of the waves crashing, all while earning some serious cash. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I'm here to tell you it's totally doable. The digital nomad life is calling, and it's more accessible than you think. With a little hustle, a solid Wi Fi connection, and the right mindset, you can make money while traveling the world. Just picture yourself, the wind in your hair, sand between your toes, the epic Chariots of Fire theme song playing in the background. That's the energy we're going for. Let's kick things off with a gig that lets you flex those creative muscles from anywhere in the world. Freelance writing. Think about it. You've got a laptop, a way with words, and a passion for sharing stories. Websites, blogs, online magazines. They all need compelling content. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are your digital marketplaces, connecting you with clients who need your writing superpowers. Whether it's crafting SEO optimized articles, captivating blog posts, or even snappy website copy, freelance writing can be your ticket to a location independent lifestyle. Next up, we're tapping into that knowledge bank of yours. Remember that awesome teacher who made learning fun? You can be that person for someone else online. Platforms like VIP Kid and italki connect you with eager students around the globe, hungry to learn English, or whatever your jam is. Music, math, you name it. Imagine teaching English to a group of kids in Tokyo one day, then giving a guitar lesson to someone in Argentina the next. The best part? You set your own hours and rates, giving you ultimate flexibility on the road. Okay, let's be real. You're probably glued to your phone anyway, right? So why not get paid for it? Businesses and influencers need help managing their social media presence, and that's where you come in. From scheduling posts and crafting engaging captions to tracking analytics and running ads, social media management is a hot skill that can be done from anywhere. Tools like Hootsuite make it even easier to juggle multiple accounts and stay organized while you're hopping between countries. Now let's talk about passive income. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services you love and earning a commission on every sale you drive. It's like being that friend who always has the best recommendations, but you get paid for it. Platforms like Amazon Associates make it super easy to find products to promote, and you can seamlessly integrate them into your blog, social media, or website. Imagine sipping a coconut on a beach while earning money in your sleep. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Last but not least, let's talk about a gig that's always in demand: customer service. But hold up, this isn't your grandma's call center job. Tons of companies are looking for remote customer service reps who can provide support via phone, email, or chat, all from the comfort of their own, well, wherever they are. Companies like LiveOps specialize in connecting businesses with remote customer service agents, opening up a world of possibilities for digital nomads like you. So, ditch the cubicle and answer those calls from a hammock in Bali. So that's it. 5 awesome ways to make money while traveling the world. The digital nomad lifestyle is all about freedom, flexibility, and chasing those bucket list experiences. It's about proving that you don't have to be tied down to a desk job to live a fulfilling and financially secure life. So, what are you waiting for? Do your research, pick a side hustle, and start planning your next adventure. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button, drop a comment below with your dream digital nomad destination, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the open road. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy travels.